Welcome to the new lesson. For better learning, watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video, you will be assigned a task to do. Stay connected. Let's go to the video. Assalamu alaikum. Today you are going to learn with me how to save your NLTK file using Google Colab. Go to the Google search bar and write Google Colab. Click on the very first link here. And click on the new notebook. Here, your Google Colab notebook is opened. Here, at the top left corner, you can see the file name, Untitled 28. As you open Google Colab, so your notebook is automatically saved in your Google Drive. To check it, open the new browser here and click on these dots. A dialog box is opened and click on the drive. As you open your Google Colab notebook, look at the left top corner here. So you can see the file name. With the same file name, your Google Colab notebook is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So to check it, go to the new browser and click on these dots here, and you can see the drive. Click on the drive. So you can see the same file name here, Untitled 28. So that is automatically saved in your Google Drive. So if you want to change the file name, suppose if I write Abrar 28, so your file will be saved with this name now. And go to your Google Drive again and check if the changed name is automatically saved or not. So here you can see the changed name, Abrar 28, is automatically saved. So it means you have nothing to do to save your Google Colab notebook file in your system. It is automatically saved in your Google Drive. If you want to start your work again from the same file, just go to your Google Drive and click on the file you want to work on. So here you can see the same file is opened. In the next video, you will be learning how to upload your text file in Google Colab notebook for NLTK analysis. Before you go, here's a task for you to do.